Hair. It defines our identity, confidence, and culture. But for billions of people, it's also a silent struggle: hair loss. For decades, science has tried to fight it, and failed. But now in 2025, a wave of revolutionary discoveries is rewriting everything we know about hair. From stem cell engineering to gene-based regeneration, scientists are not just preventing baldness, they're reversing it. This is Intelxis Core, decoding the innovations shaping tomorrow. Every single hair on your body grows from a small biological machine called a hair follicle. Inside each follicle lies a group of stem cells, the engineers of hair growth. They control when your hair grows, when it rests, and when it falls. But here's the problem. As we age, or when hormones like DHT, dihydrotestosterone, rise, these stem cells fall asleep. The follicle shrinks. The hair grows thinner, until it stops growing altogether. This process, known as androgenetic alopecia, affects over 1.2 billion people worldwide. And for years, the only available treatments, minoxidil and finasteride, could only slow the process, not reverse it. But all of that is starting to change. Because scientists are now learning not just how to wake up those dormant follicles, but how to create new ones from scratch. In early 2025, researchers at the University of Virginia School of Medicine made a discovery that changed the landscape. They found new populations of stem cells located not just in the bulge of the follicle, where they were believed to exist, but in the upper and mid regions as well. These new cells act like a biological reset button. They can repair damaged follicles, stimulate dormant ones, and even trigger the growth of entirely new hair. Meanwhile, at Kyoto University in Japan, scientists successfully regrew full hair follicles from induced pluripotent stem cells, lab-grown cells capable of becoming any tissue in the human body. Their experiment produced thick, functional hair shafts in animal models, showing that complete follicle regeneration isn't science fiction anymore. It's a real, measurable event. While some scientists are creating new follicles, others are figuring out how to reawaken the ones we already have. At UCLA, researchers developed a small molecule called PP405, a compound that reactivates dormant follicles by switching on specific genes involved in the hair growth cycle. In lab tests, PP405 successfully triggered follicle activity even in areas that had been bald for months. Another molecule, GT2029, developed by Kintor Pharmaceuticals, targets androgen receptors, the very receptors that cause hair follicles to shrink in men and women. By silencing those hormonal triggers, GT2029 may offer regrowth with fewer side effects than existing drugs. These compounds represent a future where a simple topical treatment could reverse years of hair loss, painlessly and safely. Regenerative medicine, the science of rebuilding tissues, is taking hair restoration to a new level. Using platelet-rich plasma, PRP therapy, doctors inject your own plasma, rich in growth factors, into the scalp. This reactivates follicles and accelerates repair. But newer research goes beyond that. Scientists are experimenting with 3D bioprinting of follicle cells, creating miniature follicle seeds that can be implanted into the scalp. By 2028, experts predict these bioprinted follicles could become available for early human clinical use, potentially replacing traditional hair transplants entirely. It's not just about cells, it's about the environment they live in. Recent studies show your scalp microbiome, the billions of microorganisms living on your scalp, plays a key role in hair health. Too much of certain bacteria can cause inflammation and damage follicles, but a balanced microbiome can enhance follicle activity. This discovery has led to the rise of probiotic-based hair products, which aim to restore a healthy microbial balance, making your scalp an environment where hair thrives naturally. While biotechnology leads the headlines, nature is making a comeback. Researchers are isolating compounds from rosemary, ginseng, and green tea that can stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation and reducing oxidative stress. Using nanotechnology, these compounds can now be delivered directly into follicles through smart serums that penetrate deep into the scalp. This fusion of nature and technology is giving rise to a new class of eco-friendly bioactive treatments. So, what does the future of hair regrowth look like? By 2028, stem cell-based follicle implantation could become a mainstream option in advanced medical centers. By 2030, we might see fully personalized hair regeneration, treatments tailored to your genetic code and microbiome profile. AI could analyze your scalp's molecular structure and design a custom serum specifically for your biology. Hair loss will no longer be a cosmetic issue, but a treatable biological imbalance. But as with every innovation, there are challenges. Stem cell therapy and bioprinting are still expensive and highly regulated. Accessibility remains a major concern, especially in developing regions. Experts warn that the next step for humanity isn't just to grow new hair. It's to make sure that these breakthroughs are available to everyone, not just the elite few. From ancient remedies to molecular engineering, the science of hair is evolving faster than ever. And as the lines between biology and technology blur, we're entering an age where even lost hair might one day be reborn. This is Intelxis Core, decoding the innovations shaping tomorrow. Subscribe to stay ahead of the future.